So today I'm going to cover a huge mistake that every beginner, even experienced people in the online space are doing this mistake. It took me 3.5 years to understand this and a few $1,000s. So do not ignore this video. The one thing which is extremely crucial for every company's growth is having goals and having targets to hit those goals. Lots of beginners, even me, when I started, I had no goals. Even in 2023 till 2024, I was not setting targets for my business. And people with a clear plan, clear target, and clear goal can easily surpass the best strategist, the best planner. Why? Because random action gives us random results. We must have proper targets and proper goal if we really want to take our business to the next level. When I started, I was trying everything I could, generating leads, booking appointments, talking with lots of people, setting meetings, doing sales call, but my revenue was not growing. I was not able to understand. I had a goal like hit $100,000 by the end of 2022, by the end of this, and by the end of this I should have $10,000 in my pocket, and by October I should have $20,000. Despite doing all the practices, I was not able to hit that goal. I couldn't understand what was the mistake, and when I started talking with big people, I realized that, and when I also started studying some of my competitors, I realized that I'm not having proper planning to hit my goal. I'm not having proper targets to hit my goal. So it's very important that we set a big goal. Let's say you have to hit like $100,000 by end of the 2025, and then you have to divide that into monthly targets, so that you'll understand month after month. You can actually analyze, okay, this month I made this much of amount of money, and in the next month I have to make this much amount of money to hit my yearly goal. And if somehow you could not do that, if somehow you could not reach your target, then of course you have to work double, you have to change the plan or something like that. This gives us clarity. That's how you run business. That's why salespeople have targets. That's why in company, all the departments, they have specific targets because they have specific goals to hit, right? And that's the big mistake that we all were doing. We already know all the practices that we have to do, but where are we lacking? Discipline. If I give you the discipline, the best discipline, and if I give you targets, then you'll achieve your goals 2x, 3x more faster. You know that. So even if you invest like thousands and thousands of dollars in a coach or a consultant, the first thing they will do is they will set a discipline in you and they will give you targets. So you're getting this information for free. So set up targets for you, no matter whatever goal you're chasing. Set $10,000, $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month. Create an action plan, divide that into targets, and start working on that. It is achievable. If things are not going according to your plan, then of course you'll understand, okay, this is the thing that is not working and I need to change that, and then you'll work on that, right? That's how you run business, with clarity. Do not do any random or guesswork. Have everything set, like all the plans, all the strategies, all the targets, and all the goals. I hope you found value in this video.